So about documentation, why is it important? Well, it's important because it promotes reusability. All right. So when I'm using something, when I'm creating something, uh, I know that what I need is there, and I don't need to create new things because what the things that exists are visible to me. Okay, and by promoting reusability, I'm also promoting scalability. All right. So if I want to create something in the future, or if I want to add new features to my application, if what I need, if what I can use is well documented, it's easier for me to create pages. Okay, because I know at all time how things can come together to create new pages and new application. Okay, and obviously it promotes and makes the maintainability easier. Okay, and also promotes consistency. As we talked earlier, if let's say if a designer needs to create something new, if everything is documented, is going to create that something new following the same rules. Okay, so basically are, let's say, three good ways to create documentation. You can simply have a style guide. Okay, that is the static documentation. Well, we can say it's hard to maintain. It needs a lot of effort and knowledge to maintain, but it's also easy to start documentation. But again, it's difficult to be visible to all team members, not only the UI but the front end team. And usually we use InVision or Figma and or other platforms to help us in these style guide documents. The second way you have to document your UI is to use a lifestyle guide. It's something that is promoted by OutSystems. They have something on that you can download on Forge to create a good lifestyle guide. And basically, what a lifestyle guide have that a static style guide don't have is it's accessible to everybody. Okay, it's maintained by the front end team that have some knowledge that the UI team don't have. And in top of that, we can say that is relatively easy to be maintainable. It's interactive. I mean, the developer can try out the component before implement that same component in a page. And the downside is when you end up having a lot of style guides to maintain, live style guides to maintain, you start to spend a lot of time maintaining multiple style guides. So this is where this is when we start having a bottleneck. Okay, when we have multiple style guides to maintain. And again, believe me, most of factories have a lot and a lot of themes to be documented. So the third way we have to document UI is through a design system. Okay, so basically, a design system will gather all style guide rules in one place. Okay, and by that I mean the brand rules, the like colors, typography. Okay, and the design system basically promotes that different teams with different capabilities can work better together, and it stands out because it's basically a united architecture, a common architecture. Okay, it has some problems when we start to have different design systems in the same organization. Okay, and to address those problems and to make it easy to maintain, to manage all these lifestyle guides and all these different design systems. High Interactive developed something called Highlight. It's basically a design system manager that centralize and document a design system. It's highly scalable. I mean, it can document different technologies. If something new is created, it can be added easily and takes much less effort than maintaining a lifestyle guide, and basically compiles everything, all the information that not just the designers and developers need, but also what the marketing team, the communication team needs to say something, needs to define something. That something will be documented in this design system manager that we develop. If you want, we can talk about it a little more.